The earthy flavor of butterfly pea flower tea is said to be a mood enhancer. The tea is said to have stress-busting effects that may also help reduce symptoms of anxiety. Butterfly pea flower tea, commonly known as blue tea. Blue tea contains potent tannins that curb iron absorption from food. Therefore, sip through your hot cup of sheer magic at least 1 hour before or after meals. Also, you must brew your tea in earthen teapots than metal to avoid loss of healing properties. Slow down aging and wrinkles. Improve eyesight. Improves blood circulation to the brain. Nourishes hair. To help reduce the risk of blood clot. Prevents kidney disorder. Improve digestion. Promotes weight loss. The recipe to whip up a cup of blue tea is quite simple. Just boil some blue pea flower petals, along with dried lemongrass, in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Blue tea can also be consumed. The powerful antioxidants of this flower helps in concentration and calms your brain. It can be beneficial for students during their exam preparation. It reduces mental fatigue that happens due to long work hours and excessive screen time.